Hold on to your seats, space enthusiasts, because Mars just threw us a curveball that's blowing everyone's minds. We've just discovered a hole so deep and mysterious. It's like the red planet's version of a bottomless pit, and no one knows what lurks inside. Picture this: a pit, only a few meters wide but a staggering 178 meters deep, captured by NASA's HiRISE camera on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. This isn't just any hole, it's a portal to the unknown, potentially hiding secrets that could change everything we know about our cosmic neighbor. Why is this such a big deal? When humans finally set foot on Mars, we'll need safe havens from deadly radiation and wild dust storms. These mysterious pits might be the perfect hideouts, offering natural underground shelters formed by ancient volcanic activity. Imagine stepping into an alien cavern beneath the Martian surface. Located in the Tharsis region, this pit is believed to be a collapsed lava tube, similar to those found in Hawaii and even on the Moon. Some lunar pits are known to have a cozy, stable temperature of 17°C. Could Mars have the same? Scientists are buzzing with excitement, but there's still so much to uncover. Are these Martian pits really the key to future manned missions? Could they hold the secrets to long-term survival on Mars? The mystery deepens, and every new discovery brings us closer to answering these thrilling questions. So, space explorers, what do you think is hiding in the depths of Mars? Alien life? Ancient secrets? Share your wildest theories and join the conversation.